This question says, we have a sound intensity 5 meters from a power source is 0.5 watts per meter squared. The power output of the source is what? Well, I know that my intensity that I read is going to be equal to the power divided by the area. If I imagine that I have a little source right here, it's going to be emitting sound out from it in a circle. Well, I should probably put my source a little bit more into the center. So it emits out in circles, in a spherical shell. So if I look at this, I can see that my intensity that I read is I naught, or this is I. And the distance that I read is actually going to help me get my area. So I want the intensity times the area is going to be equal to the power output of the source. Well, the intensity is 0.5 meters, but my area, that's something I have to figure out. My area is actually going to be 4 pi r squared. And this is going to be equal to my power. So when I work this out, I get 0.5 watts per meter squared times 4 pi times a source is 5 meters away. So my distance to the source is 5 meters. So this is going to be 5 meters squared. And if I see my units, we'll cancel with my units. I got the squared meters and the squared 1 over meters. So this is going to be units of watts at the end. And the watts at the end is going to be 0.5 times 25. So this is going to be 12.5 times 4 pi, which is going to be, well, 4 times 12.5, 25 is going to be 50 pi, which works out to be around 160 watts. So this is a 160 watt speaker, which will provide an intensity level of 0.5 watts per meter at a distance of 5 meters from the source, assuming that the source radiates in all the directions.